Hey everyone, it's Arcandis. Thanks for tuning in to another video here. We are playing the Ascension server again. And sorry I haven't came out with a video for a while. I've actually been leveling a bunch of tunes to level 30, see if I can get the best build. I do have a 60 now as well, so I'll probably play that one. But we shall see, because I think I literally have the best level 30 melee build ever. And I'm really excited because I just got WINDFURY at level 30 and I re-rolled Turn Evil. I'm so sorry I didn't get the footage of me actually rolling it in my excitement, but I know it's just a game, but it's pretty exciting. This is all random, and for me to get these set of abilities is just really fun and really awesome. But yeah, as you see, my skills are I rolled Charge, Overpower, Rend. Actually, I rolled Sinister Strike, Overpower, and Rend, and Battle Shout as my base. And then I ended up getting Charge, Slice and Dice, Evasion. I got Backstab. I don't think I will be using Backstab. I might roll it off later. Immolate, I guess is good for like a ranged pull. So I'm keeping it for now. Of course, I just got WINDFURY. Oh man, this is amazing. And got Battle Shout. Cure Poison, not bad, just in case I mean, of course, if you ever get poisoned. Devotion Aura, Hammer of Justice, Seal of Justice, which I asked the world chat, and someone confirmed that it does proc with my WINDFURY strikes. So basically, Seal of Justice has a chance for me to stun the opponent for 2 seconds. And with WINDFURY, excuse me, I'll be hitting more, so hopefully that's the case. If not, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that's pretty awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much my build here at level 30. And Lay on Hands, I mean, just in case I really need it. So it looks like a great PvP build. Not even just a PvP build, a PvE build as well. Let me go ahead and attack one of these things. Hopefully I proc WINDFURY. And for my spec at level 30, I mean, I'm putting random points into all stats that benefit me. Don't have any intellect or spirit. What else? I will be, now that I got WINDFURY, I will be going Flurry, Spirit Weapons. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna put points into Flurry first, and then Spirit Weapons. Actually, screw that. Let's do Spirit Weapons, and then I'll put all the points in there later. But let's go ahead and attack something. But yeah, this build is looking really sick right now. And I also went Taste for Blood. So I am so excited, guys. This is so awesome. Yeah, it's a really good build so far. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be wrecking people. I was wrecking people without WINDFURY, and now that I got it, it's just insane. But I'm also going like Fury. I went Crit. Is it Assassination Rogue? I went Crit as well. Combat. I went for the Sinister Strike damage. And but yeah, level 30, this is my build. I think I'm gonna actually be playing this character now, so if I do get bored, I probably will show you guys my other 60, but it's not gonna be as exciting as this. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be making more videos with this character in the future, so stay tuned, guys. And thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I just had to make a video of this because I just got really hype. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.